My people, how una dey also na dey fine. I go put video for na make una listen to the moment wey be say Vivian Ajepkako wife sister call Kpai Titi for live video. Now no say dem get their gbas insult wey be say dem dey insult themselves since then. So this her last born Vivian mama last born come call Kpai Titi for live video. Say he wan ask am say whether wetin he dey talk whether na truth concern him mama. Concern him mama wey be say he late him mother wey be say he kpai for inside house. So they no know wetin really happen. I go put the video and I go hear everything for inside there. Now Kpai Titi come confirm and say na true wetin he dey talk, no be lie. Make dem carry am go anywhere where dem wan carry am go. So now people for inside the TikTok on they talk say maybe na saga of 18. So get one man for inside, one I go see here for inside. The man come dey ask Vivian sister say this question wey be say you just believe say at the TikTok so whether Ajepkako with him mama, whether Ajepkako with Vivian mama, whether dem get misunderstanding. Na him sister Vivian sister come talk say it many. The problem wey be say dem get was many. Una go hear for him mouth. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing o. So now they come advise the girl say make she no cry for them. Make e go Okaigbe, make e go tell him papa and him, make e go tell him mama family say he let him mother wey be say he kpai for his house because he say he no sick. The girl still talk and say he no sick. Say see waiting then say it happen no. You know, the party say he ready to follow Ajepkako go anywhere they when they want carry and go. No be small thing, my people. And the girl say when the mother kpai, they no do autopsy to see wetin kpai am because she was the mama no sick. Then your year say he kpai for his house. Make I put the video for now. Make una listen. The moment where the girl call and everything wey be say people wey dey there, they come dey talk, they come dey ask, you know. And hell no say sometimes wey be say saga go burst. Sometimes truth dey come out for inside the way be say something wey resemble something come out. You understand? Not be everything. Kpai Titi say this one not be saga. Say na wetin he just know. He say make he go Ekonoro. Say make he still go his family Okaigbe. So make them call all of them together. No be small thing, my sister, my brothers and sisters. Please help me to love and like and share this video. I just say may I bring and come before I put the video in case you now they listen to the video. More than just listen well and now see when the lady call, like the last one Vivian mama call. So even when the girl want even cry, when they tell her say not be waiting that they cry put. As far as say your mama not sick, una just see her for inside say Kpai. More than go talk am for Ikegbe. Normally na so something dey happen. When something happen, they'll come family members say see wait you. Una bye bye my people. That's all we see for this side though.
Go you know gi obokin.
Ni ateze ge no ni Tori la baba. La ni dinge atigun.
Zabo no mota ji we kegun.
Ipa on a video pa ni worship the platform you were there now. You no go we. Una we Ajebo gi o ma ya video o kan wo wa. Ipa matter no.
Mekatoria.
Okay. Ogele gi o ma ya gele ya video o kan.
Mekatoria ato wo kan na ki ato wo kan go megba na.
O ti o kan.
Mekatoria we ka bi me mi oge na.
We may me we pa won no ma we ni mi asun no. Okay ni me kwale no bu e ma mi okay ni no.
Ya gba no ba me ya gba Facebook me ya fe ndo ni nya ma we no agbe.
Okay.
Ijawo fan bi we star.
Alagbodi je mewa ke alagbodi
Ijuwe ya kwa kana.
Ona ki ko si jin me ke le gujuwo wa my sister. Mama mi no gbije ne.
Egelibe ya gwa Ajepkako are kinije. Ajepkako are kinije.
Amale what is in amale so we amale what otost in amale we ni lo pe amale yin yo re o ya won yo to re oni right na me that do on na we e ma na ya gbe wa juwo wa why
Ebe no gbe gbe IVF. Ebe no gbe gbe abi o. Atiti aku elu yan.
Iju egu Ajepkako are kinije. Ni ka bo kan yu wa yo. Si se Vivian ye o Vivian ma no ta.
We me ye got ya aje. You know
Oma. Do you know anything? Uchebe. Do you know anything, Uchebe?
Women, you guys, you can't
So-
complain that me. You know what, we are your game there. Oh, nothing, you can go now, your home. And the last time we met, what we met here in there. You know, when you're giving me a was away, you them now, bad. Never bad. Here now, bad, your home, and you are broken now.
Oma, Edita say.
Anyway, I'm feeling you got family meeting on what?
Where did you hear what's what about my febo?
I greet you.
What?
This is the one this my started talking about. So you really saw say na Ajepkako.
No, ask me that question again. No, ask me that question again. No, ask me that question. How many times you want to talk?
No, bros, because this matter when you do so,
If you go,
Man, go round, not be man, go round that day.
where we are here, man.
You say that you the quarrel now question because you say this matter go long.
Man, long. I want man long.
Mama, when no say manari boy na. E paka de talk, pa won pa ne pakata. You know we sagano. But I do na even yet to be when do ya na ni mata ni. Ala go get a point go we. E meta ke de no. E le paka we ya go work pa. When no ka we ya go work pa. But at the end we ya de no do ya end here na.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni aba mega UFK kui. More than 9 years me ya here fa.
Yes, okay, paka le temo. Mama dame one. E pa titi ka we ya we work pa go lo we ko here. E mata ni we no ya end. When o me wa mi ekori yen we. But e no ta lo baja wu. Ori e yo e mata pa titi ga ata.
My sister, happy wife.
And another thing, this one na mama or again. And the party here, this one, they know each other where.
Happy wife, you dey hear me?
We hear you.
I beg ask one question. You, according to this,
If you don't want to ask question, Mona go kegbe coming. Mona kegbe coming. Mona go kegbe.
no problem, bros. Now, I want to talk to her.
Where
Happy wife, but you like say this Ajepkako. You get it like say you not dey good terms with your mother before your mother leave.
my brother, what is that?
Now president talk so now, brother. I mean, you know they ask questions.
Bros, may I tell you one thing?
No, the advice no go give her make she go their family meeting. Now so we dey do am for Benin. If this kind of thing happen, you will go meet your mama family. Not be your papa family. Oh. Your mama will die. In family, now you go meet. Now from there, when they don't find that out, you go call Atiti. Now the whole world they listen now. Atiti is very proud of it, saying talk and come out. You this sister.
I don't say you know but sister.
You know we have gear we gan. Una ya we cool. You know we have gear we gan. Una ya we cool.
Now me all my sister when I yalla. Me I use English to talk because you go that way.
Eh me we talo you le gbe. Any man count. A point email gedu point email.
As if this say somebody come up now to talk say see the link of your mother's death. And if that woman are really your mother, then you gonna go to your mother family. In your mother family now two, your mother papa side and your mother mama side. Your mother papa side, your mother mama side. Anyone when you feel go, any moment from now that people now you will call. Then when they go come ask you say who tells you. Then you will contact them say, see who tell me who. Now live video for talker in name na Atiti.
You say Prophet Atiti.
Prophet Atiti, If to say Prophet Atiti talker now say, no tell them say na me tell you then me will tell na lie they talk. He say go tell them, say na me tell you. So you go do that one now.
Mama, I dey hear you. Mama, this is why me enter this back.
Be your there to confirm now because you don't fair here.
I don't use it when I hear her. I download it. Yeah, I download the video.
They know they cry for
And I
this
see
time.
I don't know. Yes, from the
Obo
office.
kian.
Yes.
Wa re nika tu wa lore ne. Nika tu wa lore ne. Obo kian. La, e mala ke gbola je gbe na gbota ni.
Ke baba na pa ni wa gaye to temi na. Hey, they know the baba.
Mada wonu mo gba we la je, mo gba we la je. Mo gba we la je. Bueno, gwana bugo. Mo gba we la je we lo ke pala.
Mo gba we la kana re de ke sabo wa.
Ọmọ mu ela jan ya mu drop ọmọ wa mu gba we la jan na wa di
Hello.
ọmọ na ko du ko ba we lo go megun wa mu gbe ni wa ti o ka gbe akun ni wa
Give me more,
Yeah, now.
Imade we wala aye kegbe ya ti e kegbe wa ti ma ya fefe igbenu na won aye kegbe wa gbadu na ti ma ya fefe ma do ave ekonoru elita se
Baba Mujane.
elita se Deni ma we na gbo ijo te gbe ri no gbe mi ri oni bi ju ewu Ajepkako ro dogo me oga ro wa me bi ju ewu
Prophet Atiti. Emi no ti mana no we na.
Iri nwa na ne ji
A question of man because it was Oti mana na Oti mana ga mu we na so.
ire le hia je no ni ari iri oni leji be ale le Dami akenuru ni ari wa si Ajepkako aja se won asi aden wa le ma kan. I'm ready to follow you people.
No, I want to answer you, my sister. I still don't answer. No. I still don't answer you. I still don't get the answer. You don't get the answer. I still don't answer you because the way they talk now, truly say, now that guy I read one.
Hey!
Have you a platform, eh? Have you a platform, eh? Have you a platform, eh? Oh, na mu mere won parliament. Princess parliament ati duta. Have you a platform, eh? Ya ari kegbo wa ati ti ma ka gbe. Gwe wa